Alright, so now that you guys already seen that my car is already gone, we're gonna start on this project right here. If you guys missed it, don't forget to go watch the other video where I show my right hand drive project 2-door 69. And what I'm gonna be doing right now is just grinding a lot of spot welds, and for prepping into freaking primer and sanding, bundle, and all that shit, body work. And I'm gonna take that to the shop like next week. And for now, it's just minor stuff that I'm gonna be putting on it, like the wheels, tires, suspension, all of it, and a couple bolts here and there. But for now, let's just grind. So these are all the spot welds that we need to grind all the way over here as well, just to make it ready to the shop and have it all ready and stuff. Over here as well, the whole engine bay is what we're gonna start on. And let's go. So we're continuing with a 2-door. I'm just doing the little stuff right now, like grinding a lot of welding spots, because the dude from the shop told me to take care of the little stuff before I take it to the shop, because if he does that, he's gonna charge me like way more, and he doesn't want that. So he told me to just take care of the little stuff before taking it to the shop. Besides, he's not gonna be available until the next week. So for now, he's just making it a roller. I'm gonna be painting the bottom with POR 15, the inside with POR 15, just having it ready for him. Like he's just gonna focus on the exterior, like the whole body, the body panels, like welding a lot of stuff from the outside. You guys gonna see it. So all these, he's gonna be doing that. He's gonna be doing basically the rocker panels, the roof, some parts of the radiator support, and also the side frame, like this part right here. I took care of the grinding that was needed in the engine bay. A lot of spots. I kind of like painted it, but I'm still gonna like re-weld a little bit of those spots right there, because you can still like see spots open. He's gonna take care of the rocker panels, like I said, right in the bottom, the body, the water panels, and a little bit of the roof. He's gonna be finishing this part right here of the roof, or whatever it's called, and some parts of this part right here. He's gonna be doing that, and basically he's gonna have it ready for paint. And then I'm gonna take it to my friend's body shop, and he's gonna paint it for me. Just the paint, color wise, I haven't decided yet, but I'm thinking of 3 colors right now. I'm not so sure yet, but it's 3 colors. For now, I'm taking the subframe out. I'm gonna paint it, clean it, and tomorrow I'm gonna be cleaning the whole bottom, so I can POR 15 the whole bottom, and also the interior, the floors. I'm gonna be doing that, but tomorrow I'm gonna be welding a little bit of the spots welds where you can see like through it. So I'm gonna be welding those. I'm gonna be cleaning these panels right here and just painting them. Also the roof, a couple spots that need to be welded. but I'm gonna take care of it before I take it to the shop. And the doors, he's gonna take care of the doors. What else? Just a couple more spots that I need to do before I take it to the shop. The front coilovers, I'm gonna be installing those. Well, that's it. For now, it's just sitting outside. I'm gonna put a carpet or whatever on top of the car, so it doesn't get like more dirty or rusty than it already is. But there's a couple more stuff I need to do before I take it to my friends. It's getting there though, just by myself. What the fuck? What else do you want me to do? It's gonna be little by little. It's gonna take me time, but I mean, just to make it right and make it look presentable, perfect for me, that's all that matters. But I'll see you guys on the next one. Just stay tuned. A couple more spots that I need to do. And yeah, I want to throw in the wheels already. Fuck, man.